Hello everyone, welcome back to Colourful Indian. I'm so happy to have you here today. My name is Ranita and I like getting into makeup and beauty related content. I'm pretty excited because it's June 2024. We've got the Glambag and Boxycharm to get into today. If you like this video, I'd love if you could hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below, say hello. So I'm just going to be taking a little sip of my liquid IV. This is a hydration drink that I'm going to be having throughout the video because I just woke up a while ago, my throat's pretty dry and I really just need the extra hydration. If you're looking for an easy way to hydrate, you can always go and check out, Liquid IV as well. I do have a code, gets you a little bit of money off, and especially if you're in a place like Florida, like me, you need to be hydrating like every single day because, you're sweating so much of your minerals out. So yeah, just something to bear in mind, as we're coming into these wonderful summer months. And speaking of summer months, we're coming into, the Glambag. So the Glambag basically gives you 5 deluxe size, products. Now these are basically sample sizes. And this is the theme, Sunny Days Ahead. I was waiting for a summer theme and I'm so excited about this. I went through the spoilers with you guys last month and I was pretty excited for some of the products that were coming out. So this is basically what it says in here. They're showing you some of the products that you can get, and yeah, I actually got this one already, tried it out too. I'm familiar with this. This is the Yensa foundation, which is absolutely amazing. I don't go anywhere without my Yensa. As you know, I use my Yensa foundation in practically everything. It is always sitting beside me. So if you have not tried Yensa, I hope that you get a chance to try it in your June box. So anyway, let's start with the very first product. We basically got this over here. This is Frank Body Rosehip Body Scrub and Cleanser. I've received this brand before and tried their, scrubs out before as well. I think they're okay. I'm not really a scrub person. I don't do this as often as I should. But there is one that I have been hooked on, and that is basically the First Aid Beauty one. It's the Bump Eraser. So I've been using that, but I didn't get that one from Ipsy. That one I purchased on my own, and then I was also gifted one. So anyway, this cleanser thing over here, this body scrub and cleanser, is a 2-in-1 melting body scrub with exfoliating sugar and smoothing rosehip oil. This is 30 grams and it's basically to even the skin tone. So it says, use me in the shower, let my exfoliating sugar buff away dry skin and melt into a nourishing lather. I'm actually quite tempted to do this, especially because they're talking about like evening out your skin tone. I would love to try that one just because of that. So that's the very first product. Now that one is actually approximately, I put it at $3 because the full size version was 100 grams and I found that for approximately like 10. So basically I was thinking about 100 grams and then you divide it, and yeah, I was thinking of approximately $3. Now the next product that I have over here is Galactic Fruit Superfood Sugar Face Scrub. I've already tried this one. They sent me the full size version like a while ago. And I liked it. It was a strawberry scrub, got a very, very intense pink. You can see the actual beads, and you shouldn't overuse it. Like, you have to be very, yeah, I always like the smell of it. It's got that really nice pink color. You can see that in the tube itself. So you shouldn't overuse scrubs because, if you have very dry skin like me, just once a week is more than enough, because I spend most of my time hydrating more than actually using scrubs. So I'm still, using that other Galactic scrub. It's going to take me some time to get through it. I gave it an estimated value of 26 and then I divided it by about, 5.5, mostly because this is 15 grams and the full size version sells for $26 and that one is 80 grams. So that's why I gave it an estimate. Okay, the next thing that we have is this Dear Midnight Atelier. This is the In pH Luxe Color Change Lip Balm. Thought this was pretty cute. Didn't try it yet, mostly because I just feel like the size. I like the idea of a color changing lip balm. I think this is cute. It's clear and it's obviously going to be turning like into a pink. I've seen this like on the market from different brands. So I found it on the website for 16, but it was discounted at 10, so I'm just taking it for 10. This was too small, honestly. That's the reason I didn't try it. Look, it's very small. I know this is a mini, but it needs to also be comfortable, right, to apply it to your mouth. And I wasn't really feeling it. I was kind of scared that as I applied it, it was going to just break. So I kind of was like, okay, I'll do this another day when I'm not feeling as tired as I am. I did go in and try this though, which is the next thing. This is the First Aid Beauty Brighten and Glow Moisturizer, which I told you I got. So this is quite an expensive product. If you go to Amazon, the actual tub is $44 and it's only 50 ml. So this is 10 ml and I just divided it by 5 again to get an approximate value. So for 50 ml, you're basically getting, you know, $44. And for 10 ml, I gave it an approximation, like after dividing it, for about $8.8. The next thing that we have is this Ace Beauty liquid eyeshadow. Now, I generally would like to try out some products for you, but I am taking a break from makeup because I have seriously overdone it with my eyes, and my eyes just need a break. I'm not touching my eyes for like the next couple of days. So this over here, this Ace Beauty liquid eyeshadow is very, very pretty. The only thing was I couldn't actually find it on their website, so I'm assuming that this is not really being produced right now. This is in the shade Stella Dusk, and it's worth $18, at least according to some places that I went and searched. And then I saw that other resellers were selling it for like 11 and for 9, and yeah, it's kind of hard to come up with an estimate, but basically I kind of estimated my glam bag for $44, which is quite low, you know, in comparison to like all the other glam bag things. So I'm not really sure. Yeah, I wasn't 100% happy with this. Like, I don't feel like I got things that I necessarily am gonna love. And maybe that body scrub and cleanser, which is the very first one. Girlactic, I already have one, so I wasn't really planning to kind of continue with Girlactic. I kind of wanted to just finish it, and you know, because I already have my own scrubs that I use, so I didn't really feel like I needed that. So yeah, that's that. I didn't show you the bag. This is probably the most exciting part about the glam bag for me, just the fact that the design is so pretty and sunny, and as soon as I saw this, I was like, yes, summer, like it looks so perfect for summer. I absolutely love the bag. So that was my favorite part about the glam bag. Alrighty, so let's get into Boxycharm. Basically over here, we've got the same theme as, you know, before in their leaflet. And they also tell you to pay attention to that QR code to go and make your choices. And also to remember these dates over here. So these are the important dates to select your products. I will also have, you know, a picture on the screen so that you can kind of see more about this. And then, you know, they also show you some of the possible products that you will be getting in this month's edition, Sunny Days Ahead. So that being said, there's one more thing. The Mega Drop Shop is also on the way in July. This is between the 15th of July to the 28th over there. So we have 2 weeks, and it's their biggest sale, so you can save a lot when it comes to money and everything if you're choosing to shop this sale. Okay, so let me just get into the products. I've already opened up the products. I kind of have a feel of them, and I just want to share my feedback on it. So the very first one here is this. This is the Il Makiage Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eyeshadow Eye Color Quad. So this has 4 colors, and I got the real deal. Now, this is not my first time receiving Il Makiage from Ipsy. I've actually received them quite a few times. This is the shade Trend, the real deal, sorry, yeah, the real deal. So the previous one that I received was actually Trendsetter, which had a more pink tone to it. This is actually $48. Now, I don't mind the formula of Il Makiage. I actually think it's really nice. The only problem that I have is just, you know, I can't justify that $48 price tag. I would never pick this up on my own. So it's nice that I'm actually getting it through Ipsy. Now, the next one is Pink Lips over here. Pink Lips has these cute lip glosses. So I did get a set. I took one out because I want to try this one with you. This is in the shades Aglow and Star. Now, Aglow is like a classic pink, which I kind of feel I have from many products already, and I just don't feel like I need another pink. So I'm more interested in this, which is Star. Yeah, it's a gloss lip gloss. People have actually given this very good reviews. So let me just try getting this onto my mouth. Okay, so I don't like the applicator as much. It's very, very thin, and I feel like I have to struggle to get product onto my mouth. But it feels nice. It feels pretty nice. I don't mind the feel of this at all. So I don't really mind the feel of this. I actually like the way that this lip gloss feels on my mouth. I think this is quite nice. I'm definitely going to be continuing to use that because some of the lip glosses I've gotten from here are just very sticky and weird. I just wish that applicator was a bit thicker because I hate thin applicators. That's not my thing at all. But it feels really nice, so I'm going to be like, fine. Now, this on the website was $13, and I've gotten 2 of them, so I'm estimating this at $26 because it's a bundle of 2. The next thing that I got is this Rem Beauty, primer. It's a blurring primer and it costs $29. Now I did go and read some reviews about this because, I'm not going to be doing a makeup look right now, but they basically said that this does have a cooling effect. And I was thinking, oh, that's so fascinating. I can't wait to use this. But some people also did say that it dried their skin out a lot. So I'm kind of wondering, like, would this actually be good for me? Mostly because, I have very dry skin. So I'm just, not really sure about that, but I will try it out and I will let you know probably in the next makeup look that I do. As I said, not doing makeup today, my skin is taking a break. The next thing that we have is this refinishing night serum by Feel. Now I have never tried this brand. This is actually $58. I do like the ingredients, like it's got squalene over there. Squalene is fantastic for moisture, and it's got lactic acid to even your texture and reduce blemishes. So it says apply at night as the final step in your routine before going to bed. So that's pretty interesting because usually I end with my moisturizer, so they want this to be the final step. So I'm like, okay, never tried a serum that was the final step. I was looking at some pictures of this online and I kind of felt like, this looks like a thicker serum, so it should be interesting to use this. I'm mostly interested in it because of the squalene, and we'll see how that goes. Now this over here is the Briogeo Superfoods 3-in-1 leave-in spray, and I was very, very excited about this until I read about it. So this is $25, and I was reading things about this. People were just not happy with this, and I actually would have been like, I'm actually interested in trying this out. It's just that one person on, I think Ulta, had actually dropped a comment saying this smells like cigarettes. I smelt it, and this does smell like cigarettes. I was quite surprised. Like, it's got this very harsh chemical kind of smell, but it also, I can see how that would smell like cigarettes to some people. It really has that, and I'm kind of like, okay, I'm not sure anymore, like, if I want to try this on my hair, because there were so many reviews saying that they were really disappointed, that it weighed down their hair, that it made it greasy. I really don't want that. So I'm kind of like, on the fence about this superfoods thing. I'm not really sure how to feel. So anyway, this is, my Boxycharm. I'm okay with the products. I don't think I'm super excited about them. I'm hoping that you as a purchaser of Boxycharm will have a better selection of products. I just don't feel like this is the most exciting thing for me. I think the Rem Beauty thing was okay, and maybe the Feel, like I feel like these two are probably okay. The rest, I kind of feel like so, not super excited, but hey, this is June 2024. I think I would have probably liked a sunscreen. I would have loved a sunscreen because it is the summer months coming in, and that's something that you need. So I would have loved like a full-size sunscreen, more, products that were just catered for just the summer. And I'm actually a bit like, I don't know, like I was looking forward to this. So I think if I hadn't read that thing about the smell and then all the comments about the greasiness and the heaviness, I think I would have been excited. And if you look at this, the texture, it's kind of like very liquidy. So I thought that this would be more like a cream kind of consistency, but it's not. As you can see, it's kind of like it's like a liquid, it's just moving up and down as I move it. So that's basically that. So basically my total value of Boxycharm is $186, and if you're going to add on the Glambag, that's plus $44, which brings us to a grand total of $230 for this month. This was not my favorite month again. I just feel like I was expecting different products. I think if I'd gotten Yensa and if I had gotten Glow Recipe, I think maybe all of that would have been a bit better. So I hope that you guys get some really, really good products, because I know that there's some amazing spoilers. Like, I mean, when I was looking at the spoilers, I was thinking there's some really nice things that are coming. So hopefully you get to choose some really nice products for yourself. So anyway, thank you for joining me for today, and I will see you soon for another makeup video. And I just hope that you have a wonderful weekend. Lots of love to you. Bye-bye.